Moms, look at this. Dishes from yesterday, crumbs everywhere, and I haven't even had my coffee yet. This is what my kitchen looked like every single morning, and I was so done with it. So I built a system, a realistic one, for when you're exhausted, not when you're motivated. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I reset my entire kitchen in under 20 minutes. Here's what nobody tells you about mom life and cleaning. Motivation is a lie. Seriously, we're waiting to feel motivated to clean, but that feeling never comes when you're running on 3 hours of sleep and a cold cup of coffee. So I stopped waiting. Instead, I built what I call my kitchen reset system. 5 steps, no thinking required, even on my absolute worst days. And the best part? It takes less time than one episode of Bluey. Now, before I show you the steps, I have to warn you. Step 3 is the one that changed everything for me. It sounds almost too simple, but it's the reason my kitchen actually stays clean now. Step 1. And this is non-negotiable. Everything that doesn't belong in the kitchen leaves the kitchen. Right now. No sorting, no organizing, just grab and go. Stay with me. That school bag on the counter? Gone. The toy that somehow ended up next to the coffee maker? Gone. I give myself exactly 90 seconds for this. Set a timer on your phone. It makes it feel like a game instead of a chore. The kitchen is your domain, Mama. Protect it. Step 2. Dishes. I know, nobody wants to hear this. But here's my rule. I don't do anything else until the dishes are at least in the dishwasher or soaking. Because a clean sink is like a visual reset button for your brain. The moment the sink is clear, the whole kitchen already feels 60% better. It's not just a dish thing, it's a mindset thing. Okay, this is the step I promised you. Step 3, the 2-minute wipe. 1 damp cloth, 1 spray. You wipe every surface, counters, stovetop, the outside of the microwave. You don't deep clean. You don't move every appliance. You just wipe. I used to spend 45 minutes scrubbing my kitchen on weekends because I let the grime build up all week. Now I spend 2 minutes every day, and I never need that 45-minute session anymore. Create once, maintain forever. That's the hack right there. Step 4. This one's a game changer if you have kids. I keep what I call a reset basket on the counter. Anything that lands on my kitchen counter that doesn't belong there goes into the basket. Once a day, I carry the basket around the house and put things back where they belong. 1 trip, 1 minute, done. Before this system, I was doing 10 tiny trips a day, getting frustrated, losing my flow. Now it's 1 intentional reset, and it actually works. Step 5, and this might sound silly, but please don't skip it, the finish line ritual. When I'm done, I make myself a fresh cup of tea or coffee. I stand in my clean kitchen for literally 30 seconds and I just appreciate it. Not because the kitchen will stay clean, spoiler, it won't, but because you did something for yourself today. You created order in your space. It's not just kitchen cleaning. It's your daily proof that you're in control, even when everything else feels overwhelming. That's how we win the day, Mama. Now I want to show you a quick before and after. Because honestly, nothing is more satisfying than seeing the difference. Here's what I want you to take away from this. You don't need a Pinterest perfect kitchen. You need a kitchen that works for your life. These 5 steps, they're not about cleaning. They're about giving yourself 1 less thing to stress about, so you have more energy for the things that actually matter. Juggling work, kids, life, and somehow trying to keep it together. This is how you make it easier on yourself. Not perfect, just better than yesterday. If this helped you even a little bit, hit that like button. It genuinely helps more moms find this video. And if you're new here, I'm Melissa, and I share real tips for real moms. No perfection, just what actually works. I have a whole series on realistic mom routines, morning, bedtime, and weekend resets. I'll link it right here. Follow for more mom hacks, and let me know in the comments. What's your biggest kitchen frustration? I read every single one.